This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Today, people just won't stop getting hurt on e-scooters. And let's talk about the car trouble you probably didn't even realize you could have because of your tires. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now here's the latest in all things mobility.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Okay, you e-scooter loving boys and girls, brace yourselves. This one's gonna hurt. A new study on e-scooter injuries reveals that, well, if you wind up in the hospital getting an X-ray or CT scan after a spill, there's a more than 50% chance your injury is radiologically apparent. That means serious enough that it will show up on the scan. We're not talking bumps and bruises here, we are talking tears and breaks. According to the Radiological Society of North America, which kind of sounds like a superhero convention, but okay. If you go down on a scooter, the most common boo-boos you're likely to encounter involve your upper extremities, like fractures to your forearm near your wrist. Ugh. The study also found numerous soft tissue injuries to the head, face, wrist, and ankle. Ouch. Lessons learned? Well, the study suggests that limiting scooter speed can significantly reduce injuries, as well as using safety gear like helmets and wrist guards, which is maybe not as badass as speeding along sans gear, but sure beats a trip to the ER. But hey, nobody said safety had to be cool. Okay, bear with me. Here's a metaphor that might help prove a point. Micromobility vehicles, that is scooters, bicycles, and segways, are like the orphans of the transportation world. Here's why. These little vehicles, or LVs for short, are banned on sidewalks and aren't exactly encouraged to share the road with cars, which puts them in an awkward in-between space. That kind of intra-vehicular discord, okay, I totally made that up, is really not cool. I mean, we live in an age when future technology is now, but cities can't get it together to find a way for all these nifty forms of transportation to peacefully coexist. So, what can we do to bridge the divide? Well, according to a University of Boulder study, if streets were safer for LVs, more people would choose them over less environmentally friendly cars. So while there's no magic bullet for helping LVs better blend into cities, starting the conversation is a good place to begin. You're a modern person. You like your coffee brewed cold. Your nutrition comes in Soylent form, and your preferred mode of transportation is electric. But if you live somewhere cold, you better keep an eye on the temperature and your tires. Most electric or hybrid vehicles are fitted with a type of tire that loves to roll on and on. It's called a low rolling resistance tire. It's designed to maximize miles per charge, but it's not designed to give you the best grip when things get hairy. By contrast, a proper winter tire, often called a snow tire, is engineered to work best in temperatures below 50 degrees. It has a rubber compound that stays nice and soft when, oh baby, it's cold outside. Simply put, a softer tire gives better grip. And it's not just the rubber. The tread pattern is different too. Winter tires have specific tread patterns designed to improve grip. That means less getting stuck, better stopping, and way better response if you have to quickly turn to avoid, say, a deer that jumped out from behind a snow-covered shrubbery. In short, winter tires help keep your electric car plowing ahead in the slush, the sleet, the snow, and any other kind of miserable cold weather stuff that happens where you might live. But not where I live. We shoot this show in SoCal. If it's below 50 degrees, forget snow tires. It might as well be the day after tomorrow part 2 because I am not leaving my house. For more tech news, join us over at ride.tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And tire problems, you probably, Josh, just continually squeak. The prompter, you're fired. The noise isn't a problem, is it? Oh, no, noise is fine. Great. All right, but good to know for future shoots. You better keep an eye on the temperature of your tires. No, and your tires. Sorry. You're a modern person. No. You're a modern person. Why does that sound so weird to me now? It's like ambulance. When you say it too many times. Ambulance.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to ride.tech for stories, reviews, and more news.